is currently almost 8 a.m. and I'm meeting Jordan at his shop at 8. Go figure, I'm late. Normally I'm late. And he's actually copying me because he's a gigantic asshole. No, we're doing Raptor lights on his Tacoma. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. I'm just meeting up with Jordan and we're gonna do his Raptor lights and just hang out. I didn't shut my door hard enough, I don't think. I hit a bump back there and my dome light came on. And I pushed on my door with my elbow. That's not good, hold on. Oh. Just a second. Oh yeah. So their light right in the center of the.
They make so Toyota has a grill apparently now that, like, you know, the TRD one that says Toyota on it.
Yeah.
They make one that lights up like the Toyota. I don't know how that would look though.
They look cool.
A whole light up that says Toyota.
They look good on the new ones. I don't know how it would look on this one though. If you like hook it under, you could get the light to probably sit here. But it might get cut off, I don't know. And it'd be sitting farther back than the other ones.
Not too bad.
Mine wouldn't stick. Or do you want the Grille tape? Like regardless.
I'll probably do it. Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I'll go get it then.
If I can secure the light like this, it'd be good. I just kind of like jammed it in there and wrapped the wire around the middle fin.
And it's not going nowhere. What's it? Huh. Yeah, no, that shouldn't move. Yeah, that'll look good. That's good spacing too. Yeah, it's not going nowhere. We still got the clutch line. It's a work of art.
That's horsepower. Oh yeah. See that color?
Oh, yeah.
It's good for it. Only a little bit of water in there. That was on purpose.
I only run water in mine. Is that not right? Most convenient oil filter placement. That was good. Thing looks sick. Jordan's truck makes me want a cat back. And all he did, well, you straight piped it.
Yeah.
It's falling apart. So my truck could sound like this, just take some money. Well, won't sound like this, but a bit louder. So what are you getting here? Carbon fiber wrap?
Yeah.
It like protects the paint.
Makes sense.
so hope you guys enjoyed this video and what I did today with Jordan and his Tacoma, wiring up those Grille lights. I think they look pretty sick. Write down in the comments what you guys think. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.